Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our subject teacher, Miss Gigi Pelenya. This is my activity getting to know you better. So, who am I? I am Angela Gorciano Sinike. I am currently taking the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, and I am 18 years old. I am from Purok Sete, Dalapang, Rabangan, Zamboanga del Sur. So, living with my family is both happy and tiring. Happy because permi na ko sila makita and mention na ko ilahang mention na ko ilang safety. Kay syempre permi din ako makita, and tiring because of the work, the yo-yo. So even if tiring, I still like it because they're my family. So my likes and dislike is I like reading journals and playing games such as Mobile Legends and chess. My dislike is the time when I feel nervous or every time I quizzes. And my goals that I want to achieve by the end of this year is to expanding my knowledge about agriculture, because this is the course I've take and I want to pursue this, and by the end of this year I hope na daghan kog ma-learn and stable na akong panghuna-huna, like no stress. Kay they all said na ang stress is sa first year, and I hope na daghan kong matunan ani nga year. For the last question is, what are you willing to give up to achieve these goals? So, I'm willing to give up. In order for me to achieve these goals, I'm willing to give up something important, which is my hobbies of always playing games, my hobbies of always sleeping, like that. So that's all, and